looking for a quiet sitting volunteer. Hands in their laps, big smiles on their faces. How about the boy in the Batman shirt? Would you be my helper, sir? Everybody give him a big clapping hand. Come on up, dude. What's your name, my friend? Nice to meet you, Isaiah. How old are you? 5 years old. Are you married or anything like that? No. Just thought I'd ask. Okay, now Isaiah, this is a trick I've done here before, but I'm going to do it just for Isaiah, and you guys get to see it. It's going to be right under his nose. Okay, Isaiah? Don't worry, it's not going to go inside your nose, because that would be gross. Okay?
It'll pop out.
No, I don't think so. Now, what color is it, Mr. Isaiah? Wait, what color is it?
Green.
All right, now notice I have no sleeves. Are you ready, Isaiah? Nothing in my left hand, nothing in my right hand. Okay, you watching? All right, it's going to change colors right under your nose. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Bing! Did you see it change colors?
No.
No. What color was it before? Green.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. The top part, Isaiah, does not change colors. It's the bottom part that changes colors. Now, are you watching? The hardest part is making it turn all the way from green to red, especially when take it. Look at it. Make sure there's no hiding colors. Why aren't you guys clapping? That was pretty good. Are there any green hiding colors in there, Isaiah? No. Okay, we're going to change sides. I want Isaiah to see it from every angle. All right, we're going to turn it back to green, but this time you're going to do it. Okay, here we go. Back to green. What color is it, everybody? Nothing here. Nothing here. You ready, Isaiah? What I want you to do is pretend your finger is a magic wand. I just want you to touch it and go bing. But I want you guys to say the magic word. You guys remember my favorite magic word? For those of you who are new, it's Bawana Iguana. Let's practice. Bawana Iguana. Give yourself a big clapping hand. Okay, ready? What color is it? Red. Now you're going to touch it with your finger, go bing, and everybody's going to say Bawana Iguana. 1, 2, 3. Bawana Iguana. Okay. Did you already? Oh, I wasn't quite ready, but that's okay. That's okay. It started out as green, then it turned red, and then it should turn red from back to what color, you guys? Green. That's good. Well, everybody give him a really big clapping.
Yay, Isaiah!
Now, wait a minute, Isaiah. I wasn't quite ready for blue, but that's okay. Would you do me a favor? Since you did that part, pretend you're the magician and give it a little pull. Go ahead and pulling. Pull. Oop. Give him a big clapping hand. Now, are there any other hiding colors in there?
Yes.
No. Everybody give Isaiah a big clapping hand and go, yay. I need one more helper. Somebody who's quietly sitting. Hands in your laps, remember? Big smiles on your faces. How about that pretty girl right there with the unicorn jacket on? Everybody give her a big half clap. What's your name, honey?
London.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, London. I do love your unicorn. Do me a favor, London. Look at everybody and show them that pretty smile you were smiling from. Do it. Smile. Okay, London, I'm going to let you try to stump me. What color do you think would be the hardest color to do? Do you think it would be rainbows?
Rainbow.
I am asking London. Do you think it might be a picture of a unicorn? Or what color do you think would be hard? How about, you like that? Can we do unicorn?
Yeah.
I tell you what, do you guys think doing a picture of a unicorn would be hard?
Yeah.
London, that's not the hardest. Colors are easy. The hardest is invisible. So that, London, that means you can't see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take London, we're going to put her in the middle. I'm going to let her watch from behind. All right? Now, can you see it, London? Yeah. What color is it, everybody? Okay, it's going to stay blue, but it's going to turn invisible blue. Okay, Lexington, London? All right, here we go. We'll do this one on the count of 10. Can you guys count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slow. Now slow. 6, 7, 8, 9. London, where'd it go? Here's where it went. Check your pockets. Look inside. And when she pulls it out of her pocket, I want you guys to clap really loud.
In her pocket.
I know, that's what I'm...
No
Do you
way.
feel it in there, sweet girl? No. You know what? You had your hands in the pocket when we were doing... Oh, wait. Sorry. Sometimes when the kid has it in their hands in their pockets, it skips their pocket and it goes right down into her shoe. Oop, here we go. Did you feel something inside there? There is something inside here. It's probably usually inside here.
She had a sock on.
That's right. It's probably usually in there. You ready? Yeah, there's something in there. All right. No. No, we does not smell that bad. Okay, nothing in my hand. Nothing in my hand. Here we go. We're going in. Did you feel anything in there, baby girl? No.
That's because she had her
Wait a second. Yep. I'm not doing very good, London. I apologize. All right, here we go. We'll put it back on. Oh, wait a minute. She has this very pretty sock on. Let me just check. Hold on just a... Oh, this is the part I hate the most. Oh, don't worry, London. I'll put it back on for you. Here, let's look inside here real fast, sweet girl. There is... Oh, wait a second. Look. There is something in there. There is... Everybody give London a big clap. Sorry about that. Everybody give London a big clap. Give her a big hug for me. I got a little scared at that
You
part.
did great,